Hey, welcome back everybody. So we've got another vehicle in here that we're getting ready to do for a customer, and that's just kind of what we do on a day-to-day basis, because you notice we've done the truck, we kind of jumped from the truck over here to this, because we need to get this one on out of here, and then we can get back on the Camaro project in the truck. Pretty much finished it up earlier today with the mechanical and all the stuff on it, and now we're trying to get some paint correction on it, which you will see soon. But for now, I want to show you this real quick. I find it interesting because literally we've got a bullet hole right there, and it's not a fake bullet hole like on the other one we had in here. It's real. So let's go ahead and check this out real quick. All right, so let's go ahead and get in here real quick and see if we can see if there's anywhere else that this bullet may have went, because it looked like it went right straight through here, so it should be lodged in the other panel, right? Maybe? Let's check it out. Okay, I don't see any damage on this panel. I don't see any signs of bio, so I'm not exactly sure what happened here. I mean, maybe it's not a bullet hole. Maybe it's just a stake or something that hit it, but I don't know. To me, it kind of looks like a bullet hole. And believe me, we shoot a lot of stuff, so probably should know. Okay, so it went right over through here. I don't see anything. Really don't see anything. All right, so I welded the hole up best I could. Now I'm putting a little bit of filler on it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that out and prime it. The panel will be ready to spray. So at least someone has a good story to tell. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. I don't know, but hey, let's get it done. Okay, so we've got all the repair done. Now we're ready for a little bit of prime, and after that it'll dry, cure, probably about I'll leave it cure overnight, and then it's ready to spray tomorrow. So let's get after it. Okay, folks, so we've got the repair completely finished on the Nissan Pathfinder here. Like I said, before there was a big hole right here in the door. Now it's gone, and you can't even actually tell that there was anything ever done to the vehicle. There was nothing wrong with it. So I like the way it turned out. Actually, I think my work's a little bit more shiny than the factory stuff, so that ain't no big deal. We can polish the other panels and they will shine like the rest of it. So if you like what we're doing, you want to see more of it, hit that like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next episode.